Hello, welcome back. We are looking at advantages of capitalism. So remember that in our last video, we discussed types of economic system and its features. So in this video, we shall be looking at advantages of capitalism, socialism, and mixed economy. So advantages of capitalism, one, it encourages hard work. It encourages hard work because it involves individuals. So everybody will be striving hard for profit maximization. It also leads to specialization. So everybody will strive hard to specialize or known for a particular thing. So they will harness every of their ability to be able to run their businesses efficiently and effectively. Three, it encourages economic competition because it involves individual and everybody will be striving hard to maximize his or her profit. So it encourages competition. Four, it promotes different forms of products or production. So people go into different types of production to attend to the needs of the masses. So you see many products of the same utility in the market. For example, you have different types of toothpaste, you have different types of noodles, and so on and so forth. The final one, talents are fully utilized. So each and every one will try to harness his ability, his potentials for profit maximization. Disadvantages of capitalism. Whatever that have advantages have is a disadvantage. So disadvantages of capitalism, it creates monopoly. It creates monopoly because it's only individual that are into it. So it's like a one-man business. Only individual determines what happens. Secondly, few individuals are enriched. Yes, because their aims is to maximize profit. So whoever that are into production of goods and services, they will be enriched through the masses. So the masses are at their mercy. The third one, it leads to economic exploitation. They will exploit the masses economically, but because of production and the means of distribution are in their hand. So they will utilize it to exploit the masses. Another one is unhealthy rival. Unhealthy rival. As a result of competition in a capitalist economy, it leads to unhealthy rival among investors or persons. So those people that are into production, they will competing. They will be striving to outrun each other. So they will go beyond what is expected of them for them to outrun the other person. Then another one is it increases income rate because they are not into competition with any other person or government. Their income rate is always at increase. And because they are there for profit maximization, their income rate will continuously increase. Profit maximization at all costs. They don't care what happens to the masses. All they know is about them. Did they generate their profits? If the profit they're generating is not enough for them, they maximize it. They add, they increase it so that their income rate will increase. Then we are looking at advantages of socialism. Remember, socialism is government-owned economy. So in this, the advantages of socialism is equitable distribution of these resources. So the government see that resources are equitably distributed to the general mass so that it will reach each and every one of the citizens. Absence of exploitation. Because governments, their aim of going into production of goods and services is to satisfy the masses or the citizens. So there is nothing like exploitation. Prevention of private monopoly. You know that government is not a private business. So there is nothing like monopoly on this. Economic security. Economic security, remember that we said that economic activities is what individuals do to generate income. So whatever people are doing, there is security. When government employed you, they cannot just sack you anyhow. There must be a tangible reason for them to terminate your job. So there is economic security in whatsoever you are doing. Provision of more goods. Government provide more goods for the citizens, looking at their needs. Disadvantages of socialism. Absence of alternative choice. There is no choice. They only based on one thing. You don't have a choice to choose. If it is toothpaste that they are producing, there's only one toothpaste they are into. You don't have, I don't like this particular one. Let me go for this one. No, it's only that particular one that you have. Another one is it reduces individual initiative. So because it's not only you, it's not your private business. This person will bring his idea. This person will bring his idea. This person will bring his own. So at the long run, you will see it's not even all the ideas that's brought to the table that will be harnessed. So individual initiative is reduced. It creates room for laziness because there are many people involved in the production of these services. There will be laziness because whether you work or not, governments are going to pay you. So it creates room for laziness. People are not striving, they are not working hard or efficiently to produce goods and services. Lack of specialization. There is no specialization in what in the means of production because you can be employed to do what you are not even trained to do. Absence of competition. There is no competition in socialist economy. Absence of creativity and innovation. Because it is government owned, there is nothing like creativity or innovation. Everything remains redundant. There is no changes. Advantages of mixed economy. Still remember that is mixed economy involves government and then private individual. It encourages private initiative because it is mixed. So you see in this case, private individual will initiate whatever decision or solution they have. There's freedom of choice. You make your choice. The citizens make their choices. Equitable distribution of income. Income are distributed equitably. It reaches every region, every areas. It endures job security. So there is job security in mixed economy. It also prevents monopoly. Disadvantages of mixed economy. Inequality of wealth. So the wealth is not everybody that owns the wealth. In this case, we have the standards of living are not the same. We have upper class, middle class, and lower class. Emphasis on profit. So in this mixed economy, they look more on profit maximization. Lack of efficiency. There is no efficiency. Everybody does as he or she likes. Corruption and mismanagement. There are so much corruption and mismanagement of resources because it is not owned by individual alone. So in our next video, we shall be looking at economic problems and approaches under each economic system.